When x shows up on both sides of the equation, our job is to bring all the x's together. Equations like this have x on the left and x on the right. The goal is to get all the x's on one side and all the numbers on the other side. Once the x's are together, the equation becomes much easier to solve. Let's watch an example to see how this works. Now, x is by itself. Pause the video and try solving these examples independently. Then press play to watch the complete solution unfold step by step on the screen. Multi-step equations take more than one move, but the goal is always the same. Get the letter by itself.